Hello, little friends. Welcome to Joyful Start. Today, we are going to learn about some amazing vehicles. Let's get started. This is a car. Car. A car helps people travel from one place to another easily. Can you say it with me? Car. Here comes a bus. The bus takes children to school every day. Let's wave to the children inside. Say it with me, bus. Here comes a train. Trains move on tracks and take people and goods far away. Say it with me. Train. This is an ambulance. It helps people who are sick or hurt and takes them to the hospital quickly. Say it with me, ambulance. Here's a fire truck with flashing lights. Fire trucks rush to put out fires and rescue people in danger. Say it with me, fire truck. This is an airplane. Airplanes fly high in the sky and take people long distances. Say it with me, airplane. This is a truck. Trucks are heavy vehicles. They carry goods like fruits, toys, and even furniture from one town to another. Say it with me, truck. Here's a helicopter. A helicopter is a special flying vehicle. Helicopters can go to places where airplanes can't. They help in mountains, forests, cities, and even oceans. Sometimes they rescue people or carry supplies. Say it with me, helicopter. Wow! We learned so many vehicles today. Let's say them one more time. Car, bus, fire truck, ambulance, train, airplane, truck, and helicopter. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Joyful Start for more fun learning. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.